In today's video, I'm going to show you how to blend colors in Canva step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Color blending is one of the easiest ways to make your designs look more professional, modern, and visually appealing, whether you're working on social media posts, presentations, thumbnails, or branding designs. We'll go through everything slowly so you can follow along inside Canva. And before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Once you're on the Canva homepage, make sure you're logged into your account. From here, you'll see all of your recent designs. Go ahead and click on any file you want to work with. This can be a social media post, a presentation slide, or any design where you want to blend colors. After your design opens, click on the text element that you want to change the color of. You can also do this with shapes, but for this example, we'll focus on text. Once the text is selected, look at the top toolbar and click on the Text Color option. This will open the color panel on the side. Inside the color panel, click on Add New Color. This is where the real color blending magic happens. Here, you'll notice two main sections, solid colors and gradients. Canva makes it very easy to experiment with both. First, let's look at solid colors. Click on Solid Color. You'll see a color picker with sliders. The slider at the bottom lets you choose the main color, while the slider above helps you adjust the tone, making the color lighter, darker, or more saturated. By slowly adjusting these sliders, you can blend and fine-tune the exact shade you want, instead of using preset colors. Take your time here and experiment, because small adjustments can make a big difference in how your design looks. Once you're happy with the color, Canva will apply it to your selected text. If the same text appears multiple times in your design, you'll see a Change All option. Click on Change All to apply the new blended color everywhere at once. This saves a lot of time and keeps your design consistent. Now, if you want a more advanced color blend, go back to Add New Color and choose the Gradient section instead. Gradients allow you to blend two or more colors smoothly together. You can adjust each color point, change the direction of the gradient, and experiment until you get a smooth and professional blend. Gradients work especially well for backgrounds, headings, and highlight text. After you finish blending your colors, take a step back and preview your design. Make sure the text is readable and the colors complement each other. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to blend colors in Canva using solid colors and gradients. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.